Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. It is your girl Dominique and I am here with another makeup tutorial. Today's video we're going to be doing this lovely, amazing kind of springtime glam. You know, springtime just started. Well, the first day of spring was about 2-3 days ago, so I've been, you know, really in the mood. Your girl been wearing a lot of dresses, showing a lot of leg, because between summer and springtime, those are my favorite seasons. Plus I'm a Leo. I'm a summer baby anyway, so yes, I love to show these legs off and just be super cute. Okay, so yes, that is what today's makeup look is inspired by. I tried a bunch of new products in this video. I loved every single one of my products. Y'all are going to see what they are, of course, in the video if y'all just keep on watching. I don't know if I'm under the weather. I just do not feel good at all. Like, I don't know what it is. It's annoying me because it's messing with my throat and my ears and everything. So if I sound a little weird throughout this video or in this intro or anything, that is the exact reason why. It's annoying me, honestly. Like I was saying, a couple of new products are gonna be in this video. Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. As y'all can see from the intro, we are gonna be doing like a springtime glam look. It's gonna be really fire. I can feel it. If my voice sound a little weird right now, it's because I think I'm trying to get sick, which I'm really annoyed about, to be honest. But yeah, I don't really know exactly what's going on. So if I sound weird to y'all, that's exactly why. So but yeah, that's what we're doing today. We're going to be using a couple of new products, whatever. So let's just go ahead and get started. Y'all are wondering, I got these clips in my hair because I curl my hair, but I want the bang to really be like banging, you know. So I just pin curled my bangs, so when I take it down, it can just, you know, do what it needs to do. And I just got back from out of town, so if you see me like fidgeting around, I'm looking for my makeup products in my makeup bag. Alright, so for brows today, y'all, we are going to be using a new product. We are going to be using the Sephora collection. This is the Sephora's retractable brow pencil. This is the waterproof one, and it is in granite. I seen this on somebody's channel. I cannot remember whose channel it was, but they used this and they said they really liked it. So I thought I should try it. So we're going to be using to fill in our brows. As y'all can see, I got my brows done before I went to Atlanta. They look really good. I love them. I haven't had my brows did in a long time because the lady that I go to for my brows, she wasn't doing them, and I wasn't about to let nobody else touch my brows. So yeah, so let's just fill in these brows and then we'll come back to conceal them. Y'all, concealer, we're doing same old, but I am doing something a little bit different. So under my brows, I'm going to conceal with my concealer, my same concealer, Too Faced Born This Way, the chestnut. I'm going to use that under my eyebrows, but on top of my eyebrows, I'm going to use my foundation, which is the Too Faced Born This Way in Tiramisu. So I've been seeing some girls do it on TikTok and Instagram, so that's what I'm going to do today. So let's get to concealing. like it makes it look a little bit more natural. Yeah, I think I like that. Okay. Look at me picking up some tips and improving my makeup game. Okay. Period. Now we're just gonna go in with our concealer on our eyelids per usual. So eyelids are concealed. We're just gonna set it with our Glam setting palette. Okay, y'all. So today we are using new palette and some new eye brushes. So I got the Sweet Oasis 6-piece eye brush set from Morphe. I got this from Ulta, and I thought it was really cute. I really wasn't feeling the palette too much. I didn't want to get it, but I like the brushes though. So cop the brushes. And then from Sephora, y'all, first of all, before I say what this is, do not drag me, okay? I know this palette is like 3 years old, 3, 4-ish, however old it is. But don't even come for me, okay? Because I went into Sephora today and I was like, wow, I always wanted that palette. And I never got it. So I got it today. It's the Resi palette from Anastasia Beverly Hills. Everybody knows what this palette look like. Everybody knows. What the freak? Everybody knows this is a great palette. So yeah, I decided to get it. So I think first I want to go with, I'm going to take the color 1988, which is this nice neutral brown color. I'm going to take that color and put it into my transition. Well, not in my transition, right above my transition. I'm going to take this color Simsa and I'm going to put that right into my transition. First of all, let me just say, I love how pigmented this palette is. Like, it's so pigmented, it's so good. Like, you can hear reviews all day, but until you try the product yourself, you're never going to quite understand why everybody likes it. Now we're going to create a cut crease. It's going to be a little bigger than my normal cut crease. So, let's just go ahead and do that. So now our cut crease is set up and ready to go. We're going to take that color Simsa and we're going to add a little bit more to our outer corner. Okay, so now we're going to tap into the color Resi, this nice hot pink color, and add that to the middle of our lid. touch into the color bar and add that to the front line. Baby, do y'all see that? That's fire. Okay, so the pigment on this, bomb, fire. We don't even need to further discuss it, okay? Because that's just how good it looked, to be quite honest. So now we're just gonna add a thin line of liquid liner to our upper lash line and then move on to the skin. Okay, so now we're gonna move on to the skin. Of course, as always, we're gonna be using our Fenty Beauty mattifying primer. So we're just gonna add this to our skin. Alright, so primer's on, so now we're just gonna go in with foundation. Alright y'all, so that is it for the Glam honey. I hope y'all really enjoyed this video. I just, took my scarf off my head, took my pins out. I love big hair. I love the big curls and the big old bang and all of that. I love that. So that was what I was going for today. So I would like to say that we hit the nail right on the head, okay? So yeah, that is all for this video, y'all. Thank y'all so much for watching. I hope y'all really enjoyed this look. I hope y'all enjoyed, seeing all of this come together. I hope y'all like the new products. I definitely loved all of my new products. I'm super happy about all of them. I will definitely be using them again. So yeah, thank y'all so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see y'all in the next video. Bye, y'all.